This video guide is about nvironymscli.info pop-up windows, and again they tell that you need to click on the Allow button. So why do you need to click on that button in the first place? Well, that's the most important question you need to answer. First of all, clicking on these Allow buttons in all such pop-ups is very dangerous. This pop-up, nvironymscli.info, is not an exception. The main trick of this pop-up is that when you click on the Allow button, you will thus automatically enable unauthorized web push notifications, and this means that you will be permanently brought to all kinds of dangerous resources on the web. So it is extremely dangerous if you start interacting with these alerts, and the pop-up displays some tricky statements. For instance, they need to verify your age or to confirm that you are a human and not a robot, or some other faulty statements. Clicking on the Allow button leads to immediate browser hijacking. I have done that on purpose, simply to demonstrate how to deactivate these pop-ups. First of all, let's explain the manual solution. You go to the browser menu, click on Settings. Now you select Site Settings and Notifications. Check this Allow area. You will find this website here. Click here and select Remove. Once this is done, I recommend you to consider scanning your Mac with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may obtain the fresh copy of it on the website combocleaner.com. Download the software using this direct integrated download button and start the program from the Launchpad. Pay attention to the fact that the program has got two versions, the trial one and the premium one. The trial one is the one that has disk cleaner, big files and duplicates finders as free tools, and the antivirus is the part of the premium license only. Click on Start Combo Scan button that will initiate the detailed analysis of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The trial version gives you a chance to perform free scanning of your Mac computer, and at the end of scan you'll see a detailed report about all threats that may be the part of your Mac. Check the antivirus function and click on Review Results. This report will state the specific threat and its location, so you may find the location of each threat through your Finder, and you may remove it manually, or you may do it automatically, but with the premium version of Combo Cleaner Antivirus program.